Hi guys, welcome to Cookingmojo. Today I have come up with chicken spring roll recipe. So let's quickly start with the recipe. First we have to marinate chicken. So ingredients required for that are 200 g boneless chicken, half teaspoon chicken masala, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, cooking oil and salt. Take chicken and give it a small cut like this. Now add red chili powder, turmeric powder, chicken masala, garam masala, coriander powder and salt. Coat chicken well with this masala. Let this rest for about 15 minutes. Heat a pan on medium flame, add oil and fry this marinated chicken. You can see this has fried and cooked well. Now turn off the flame. With the help of knife, cut chicken into small pieces like this. So our chicken is ready. Transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Next we have to prepare masala for the chicken. So let's look at the ingredients for that. 1 sliced onion, half tomato sliced, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon crushed ginger garlic, 1 green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and coriander powder, half teaspoon chicken masala, cooking oil and salt for taste. I am using the same pan in which I fried chicken before. In this, add 1.5 teaspoon cooking oil. Oil has turned hot. Now add crushed ginger garlic and green chilies. Saute it for a minute. Add onions, some salt. Saute onion till it turns little soft. This has turned soft. Next we have to add masalas. So turn gas flame to low and add chicken masala, garam masala and coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Give it a good stir for about a minute. Now turn gas flame to medium and add tomatoes. Stir and cook till it turns soft. Tomatoes has turned soft and has mashed well into this. Now it's time to add fried chicken. Mix this well and cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame, add coriander leaves and mix well. Our chicken spring rolls stuffing is ready. Next, let's prepare batter for spring roll sheet. For that, we need 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, 1.5 cup of water and salt. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour and corn flour. Add water and start making batter of this consistency or same as we make for dosa. Add salt and mix well. Our batter is ready. Now keep 2 tablespoon batter aside. We need this later on. Now let's quickly start making spring roll sheets. For that, heat a pan on medium flame. Brush some oil. Our pan is hot. Now pour 1.5 tablespoon batter in center of the pan and spread it outward like this. You can see the sheet has started releasing its edges. Now it's time to flip this. Cook for few seconds. Now transfer it to a plate. After making each sheet, make sure you clean your pan using brush or paper towel. You can make 6 sheets using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Everything is ready. Now let's start assembling for rolls. Take a sheet. Brush some all-purpose flour batter on the edges of the sheet like this. Now place 1 tablespoon of masala filling in the bottom. Bring in the sides to the center. and then roll it up like this. Make all the spring rolls like this. Now it's time to fry these rolls. We can fry rolls in two ways. One is to shallow fry and other is to deep fry. First I am going to shallow fry this. For that, heat a pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil is hot, place rolls in the oil and shallow fry it. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes to shallow fry these rolls. Fry this till it turns light brown in color. You can see this has turned light brown in color. Now transfer it to a kitchen towel lined plates. Now pour more oil in the pan to deep fry this. Now place rolls in the oil and fry till it turns golden. Transfer it to a plate. So our fried chicken spring rolls are ready. Serve it with ketchup or sauce. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.